Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Glich. I hope you guys are doing well. Enjoy my review video on my YouTube channel, Glich. Today I will review the game Subway Surfers, developed by Kaibo Games. 4.4 star rating, 37 million reviews on 1.4 MB download site, rated 4,000 plus, 1 billion plus downloads. Google Play Survey will install dictionary component 5.3 MB needed to use this app. These are the tags about this game: help Jake, Tricky and Fresh escape from the grumpy Spectre and his dog. Hashtag one top free accurate action runner experiences, funny offline single player, stylish. 4.4 star rating, 5 star rating on 10 March 2025, rated as a small kid returning back now. The new updates are always crazy. Since the idea of 28,232 people found it helpful. Cyber game, it's a developer. Developer also reply the game and reply the review. The VNAML 5 star rating on 27/3/2025. Just realized my longest lesson is with Subway Surfer, the colors, the animator, and the smooth. 221 people found this helpful. These are the developer. Developer also reply the reviews. Skylar Helbison, 5 star rating on 18 March 2025. I love it. I do feel like it's slow, it's classic gameplay, but I'm enjoying Boomboard and his boat, the Boss Bus. 2,256 people found this helpful. Developer also revised this review. I hope you guys are enjoying my review. Please like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel, Glich.